Hello and welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am your host, Jen. I have my co-host here, Carter the cat, my supervisor. I get that look from him all the time. So you're going to notice something different about this episode. There's a couple of different things. One, it's referred to as a shot. It's not an episode. It was suggested to me that any video that I do that's 10 minutes or less, just call it a shot. So there's going to be shots and then there's going to be episodes. So pretty much the same thing, just kind of gives you an idea of how long it is. Also, this is a video I've been wanting to do for a long time because I thought it would be funny to throw together all my burps and stuff in just one video, and I found it very amusing. So that's exactly what this one is: burps, laughs, and mishaps. And when I first started doing this, I was having a hard time belching on camera. My body just would not do it. And now, as we know, I have no problem. I have gotten over that. We've moved on. Also, I made some notes and then I lost it. Okay, so there was also a mishap that I did when I was doing the foam mushroom house. Apparently a couple of times I glued it to the table because I had a hot glue gun and I set it down instantly. I didn't wait for it to dry or cool off or whatever. So apparently a couple of times, because I make a comment in here that it stuck to the table again. And so I think that's all I had to go over. I'm sober. This is okay. So enjoy the following video, and I'll see you afterwards. So the first one was dailies. See, I am so camera shy when it comes to burping. I can't believe that. I did it just fine earlier. I'm trying.
Let me tell you something. You know me, I don't do that, but I'm telling you right now, I let out a Jennifer burp the other day. It felt good. I was like, oh my God, I know how Jennifer feels now.
Jen would be so proud of me.
I was like, man, I wish Jennifer was here. She would be so proud.
I would, and I don't. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Be a good place for you to cut the video.
We'll see. It's not quite 1:30 yet. This really needs to be cold. That was sad.
I gave it a 1.
Maybe a 2.
Come on.
I really hope this washes off now.
That's terrible. You're so bad.
It's made me so great. How many? Oh, pardon me. God, that really looks like a knot. Oh. Oh my gosh. That is so outside of the lines. Whew. I guess I'm ready to go. Greetings. And then we can put this one right there, little gumdrops. Uh-oh. How long they've been. In a box. Hate it. They're easy. They're actually very easy. But I'm sick of them. I'm so sick of them. So see? My face has no feeling. It's for you, Caitlin. First of the year. There we go. Thank you. Maybe instead of, oh, it's stuck to the tape bowl again. Oh, asking for all kinds of trouble. I'm gonna do half. Those are deep. I mean, they're coming from my belly.
I think this is too industrial for you. You might need a little bit of supervision.
I might. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Okay. This is not gonna work out.
Yeah,
How come the nose went so
you
well?
definitely need to be supervised.
It's better. Ugh. My face is so soft. Like I said, it was a short one. Maybe next time I'll have a little bit more to put in it. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. I will be posting a video on Friday the 18th. It's the day after St. Patrick's Day. My friend Jacob helped me do a St. Patty's themed video. And all I'm going to say right now is that we were both drinking. I was drunk. I don't think he was. But we had both been drinking and we're in the kitchen. So what could possibly go wrong, right? You guys stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.